guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ishika. Hope all are doing great. Today I will be reviewing the Moms & Co Natural Vita Rich Face Care Kit. Guys, before I start with the video, I want to tell you that this is not a sponsored video and I have purchased the entire kit so that I can give you the genuine review of the products. I have been using these products from 2 weeks and now I will tell you how to use the products and what I felt after using the products. Before starting the reviews, I would like to tell you, if you want more such videos, then please press the bell icon so that you get the notification. Okay guys, now as you can see, they have given a nice cardboard packaging, and guys, you can see they have a magnetic lock. Okay guys, if I talk about the retail price, its retail price is 2395, but I got at a discounted price of 1799 from Amazon. I will provide the link in the description. Okay guys, now let's open the box and show what is there in the box. So as you can see guys, in the box there are 4 products. Basically a face wash, a face cream, a face serum and a under eye cream. Okay guys, now I will be reviewing each and every product for you all. Okay, now let's start with the first product, that is the Moms & Co Natural Vita Rich Face Wash. Okay guys, now if I tell about the packaging, it has a very good bottle packaging and you can see the tap also is present there. Okay, now if we talk about the key ingredients, they have vitamin C, vitamin B3, vitamin B5 and hyaluronic acid. All these things are really good for hydrating the skin, giving a glowiness to the skin and remove the uneven tones of the skin. Okay guys, now what I like good about the Moms & Co products, that they are paraben free, SLS free, SLES free and they have no minerals and colors, and they are organic products. They don't have any animal products in that. So that is the good thing about Moms & Co products. Okay guys, now its quantity is 100 ml and its MRP is 348. Guys, it is not necessary that you are purchasing the whole kit. I have purchased so that I can give a good review, and you can purchase it individually. The discounts are still there available on the site, so you can just take it from any sites. I think every sites are providing discounts, so you can just buy it individually. I am just reviewing the product so that you not need to buy the whole kit. You can get the reviews and accordingly you can buy the things. Okay guys, now I will tell you how to use this. Now you can just have 2 to 3 drops in your hand. Gently massage on your palm and rub on your face like this. Then you can see that this is giving a little bit foamy texture and it is nicely getting absorbed in the skin. Just do this for 1 minute. Now I have washed my face with clean water. Okay guys, now after using this on my skin, I can tell you that it is not giving me a smoothness on my skin. My skin is feeling rough. I have a dry skin and my T-zone is dry. So I will not recommend dry skin people to use this face wash as it is making the skin more dry. So I will recommend dry skin people not to use this product, and according to the MRP, that is 348, I think you will get other good products also at this price. So I will not recommend this for dry skin people. For oily skin people, I will tell you that you can use this because it will remove the oiliness from your skin. So you can use this product. Okay guys, now I will be reviewing the Moms & Co Natural Vita Rich Face Cream. Guys, its net quantity is 50 ml and its retail price is 699. Okay guys, now if I talk about the packaging, as you can see, the packaging is good, airtight packaging, and as written in the package, it is for anti-pigmentation, skin's even tone, and the main ingredients, that is the key ingredients, are vitamin C, vitamin B3, vitamin B5, vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. As you know that vitamin C hydrates our skin, gives a nice even tone to our skin. So guys, now I will tell you how to use the product. Just take 2 to 3 drops of the cream. That is enough. And guys, you can see the cream texture. Okay, it is not very thick and it is not very liquidy also. Just do like this and massage it on your entire face. Do in circular motion guys. Now guys, after using this product, I can clearly tell you it really hydrates the skin. I'm having a dry skin tone and it really worked good on my skin. My skin has become hydrated after using this. So dry skin people, I will highly recommend this product for you all. And according to its retail price $6.99, it is a good moisturizer. For oily skin people, I will tell not to use this because in summer it makes the skin more oily. For dry skin people it is good, but for oily skin people I will not recommend you to use this product because it makes the skin more oily. Okay guys, now I will be reviewing the third product, that is the Moms & Co Natural Vita Rich Face Serum. As written in the packaging guys, its net quantity is 30 ml and its retail price is $6.99. And in the package it is written that it repairs and replenishes the skin. And guys, its key ingredients are also vitamin C, vitamin B3, vitamin B5, vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. Okay, now let's see how it goes with the skin. And now I will show you how to use the Moms & Co Natural Vita Rich Face Serum. Guys, I will recommend all of you to use this at night because they have vitamin C in it. It will give good result if you use it at night. Just open this like this. The texture is thick, you can see. Just take 2 drops of the serum. 1, 2. Guys, I am using it from 2 weeks and like this you will be just applying it on your entire face. Okay guys, now after using this on my skin, I can tell you that this serum is really good. It hydrates the skin. And guys, after using this product, I can tell you that its consistency is little thick. So take accordingly. And guys, after using the product, I can clearly tell you that it is a very nice product for all type of skins because it really makes the skin smooth and you will feel hydrated. Really, it is a very good serum according to its price, so people can purchase this serum. Okay guys, now I will be reviewing the last product, that is the Moms & Co Natural Vita Rich Under Eye Cream. Its key ingredients are coffee oil, vitamin E and vitamin 3. As you can see in the packaging, it is written its quantity is 15 gram and its retail price is $4.74. As you know guys, coffee oil, it is good for removing the tan or any darkness in the skin. Okay guys, now I will show how to use the Moms & Co Natural Vita Rich Under Eye Cream. Just open this. They have given this roller so that you can roll on your eyes. Once you will just do like this, you will get 2 drops from this side and this side. Just use this in your one eye and do like this. You can just use it in the entire. Guys, if you want, you can use it here also above the eyes. If there is a darkness and puffiness, you can use like this. Just use this for 10 minutes before going to sleep. Just roll like this. You will feel a nice soothing effect also. Your eyes will get very much relaxed after doing this. I really feel good after doing this. Okay guys, now after using this product for 2 weeks, I can tell you that out of all the 4 products, this is the best under eye roll-on I have ever used, because after using this for 2 weeks, my fine lines and dark circles have reduced to a lot of extent. It really proves what they have written there. So all skin type people, I will recommend you to use this. The roller is really good. It provides you the soothing effect and the fine lines are reduces to a lot of extent. If anyone having dark circles under your eye, this is the best under eye roll-on cream. You can use it. I will highly recommend this product for you all, and at this MRP, I think this is a very nice product. So everyone should purchase it. Guys, you will not get an instant result after purchasing this, but I can tell you for sure that if you are using for a month, you will clearly get the results. Okay guys, now I have reviewed all the products and tell you how I felt when I applied it on my skin. Okay guys, if you like the reviews of the product, do like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Bye bye.